Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't click anything on desktop in Windows 11, 10. First method is, right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is restart the computer. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.